Good morning, class 10 students. Today we will discuss more about table tag. Table tag, which is using these all additional tags tr, th, td, along with the table attribute just like table size, table border color, and background color, bg, okay, bg color and bg background. So many things we will discuss today. We have some examples here. We'll go to last tour, table concept. Like this table format we want to create, then how we can use this content command. First of all, we should open Notepad and we will type the command in particular manner. HTML head title will give the my first table page, other table page or table document. Title close, head close, body bg color we have given here red. Center wording will be in a heading 1 style. My first table page, internal and external links also, and this center lining close, br tag to break line, and then again p paragraph align center. Then next command we will use for the particular heading, my first web page as a table tag. We have mentioned here the table, okay, then td, then tr, th and tr, but this should be we have to define up, like control x we are going to mention here in this particular way. tr first is there, then second is table heading, and third is table data. In particular manner we will type this command, and then paragraph close. If linking href command you can apply, then okay, otherwise no need. Now we'll start the making use of table concept. First we'll write the caption. Caption is my first table, caption close. First line will use as a starting tr, that is the first tag of table, okay. First we have mentioned the table, and then we have started the table caption, okay. This is a table and this is the table caption, and then we have given tr means table row. In the table row, first heading is there, that is called th, roll number, name and the marks. So we can mention here th roll, th close, th start, name, th close, because these are different 3 columns we have to define with the th method. Then tr close, and now we want to define the table data, that is called td 101, td close, td Raman, td close, td marks, this marks is 98, so td close. The first row data, first row record is completed. Now first row we have to close, that is /tr close, okay. Then again tr start, td, and the second record we have mentioned here. So now we have to check how this look on a HTML document with the browser window. We have to go to the screen, okay. We'll close these all. Now we have to go to the particular place, table C. So such manner this has to be displayed. So this we have used the ahref concept. My first table page, internal link and external link. My first page, table tag tr, td, th, okay, and then we have to mention this command. So whatever changes we have done if we have not saved, we are going to save the different color, because this color is not look nice over the screen. So we have to go to in a table tag, and we will give the table different color, not table background color also we can change. We are going to make use of green, and save, and again refresh. When we refresh, it display like this. Clear everyone? So what table format we have created? Under the caption we have written my first table, and table caption, now table is designed here, but so far we have not got any border. Table first heading is roll number record is 101, 102, name record is Raman and Chaman, and marks record is 98 and 90. So if we want to make use of the border, then what we should do? We should start typing with the table border size and size with the color also. So we'll check now. Here, table, where we have written the table tag, there only we have to start this. Table border equal to, what size we want to use here? 5. Okay, table border color equal to, what color we need? Red. And if you want to any more record, that also display. Now we can make use of this save command, and again refresh the browser window. See, the table border under the red color, it has to display here. The size I have given 5, so this can be used. Now if you want to make use of the border with the H space and B space, or you want to make use of the border in the center aligning, such of things, so we can see the another example in this document. You can check. See, similar examples are there. So table border 5, border color is equal to aqua, in that we have given red. Border color in place of that, table BG color. Border color is different, BG color is different. BG color means at the back of the particular table what color is there. And then align. These attributes also we have applied in one document only, so don't worry, go through properly. Same we can apply. Align center. Cell padding we have mentioned here. Then we have mentioned here cell spacing together. Under this particular table, so many attributes are used under the same concept what we have used in the last table here. Again save, and we have to again check this table 2 method. You can see we have mentioned here table with the center aligning. Second, table earlier we have given the border red, now we have given the background red, but border is aqua, and border having cell padding and cell spacing size also. Cell padding 10 and cell spacing, this is 15 and this is 10. Okay, so we will make use of this command in a particular way. So like this, students, we will learn more about the table, and if you want to check that previous concepts, just like click here to get another link, that is AHREF concept, and go back on the previous one. So like this we can check one after another, or you can play the video also. See, whatever command video also available for you to make use of this concept. Understand everybody? So like this we can complete our task, and still if you have any problem, you will face a problem with the cell padding and row padding, call span and row span. That is more clear if you try yourself with the laptop or tablet computer. Clear? So whatever command formats are there, the sufficient examples are given in your book. You go through with that and complete the task. Clear everyone? So today is this much, and next now we have to complete our question answers from this exercise. All students must note down all the question properly and complete the task in a proper way. Clear? Thank you.